had his hand in the selling of my house in Oklahoma. 4 closings happened all at the same day, July the 29th, 2011, in regard to the selling of my house. A few days later, I was out doing errands, trying to get ready for my furniture to arrive, and the furthest thing from my mind was where I was going to church. As I drove down Main Street and was almost to the church sign, it was like a voice in my head said, "This is where you need to go." I said, "Okay, Lord, I'll be there Sunday." The first person I met that Sunday was Jim Hughes. He greeted me at the door and we exchanged a pleasant conversation. I told Jim I wanted a ladies' Sunday school class. Jim's answer was, "We have just what you're looking for, and I will take you to it." He took me to the fellowship class and introduced me to my teacher, Elizabeth Eskew. She welcomed me and made me feel at home, just as the other class members. And so did the other class members. The next thing I needed to know about was the teaching literature. I didn't want watered down, politically correct lessons. I wanted lessons that reflect the Word of God. I found that here. On Monday, after my visit to church, Park Dean arrived at my house with an Abington Baptist coffee cup and a business card. At that time, I didn't know how much Park and the Hearts of Gold would mean to me. Margaret Close is now our teacher since Elizabeth retired and does a great job. I found my church family at Abington Baptist Church. Keep up the good work.
Great.
Did it sound okay?
Great.